I'm Claire. I'm a student physical therapist here at UAMS. Is it okay if I work with you today?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so can you tell me your first and last name?
Erica Stowell,
And then can you tell me your birthday?
August 27th, 2001.
Okay, and then where are we right now?
UAMS.
All right, so today, Erica, I'm going to be listening to your lungs on the back of your shoulders and mid to low back. I'll be using my stethoscope, which is this thing, just to listen to different portions of your lungs. Does that sound okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then throughout this process, if you feel dizzy or lightheaded, just go ahead and let me know. We'll be taking several deep breaths, so this could potentially happen. So
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands.
Okay.
Just moving the camera to where you can see me. And then just moving this camera where you can see me. Okay. All right, Erica. I'm just going to be verbalizing where I'm putting the stethoscope, just for my professor. For each time I place the stethoscope down, I would just like you to take a deep breath through your nose and then out your mouth, okay? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Well, let me make sure this is on. Yes. All right, Erica, I'm gonna start on the top of your shoulders. So I'm just gonna feel your shoulder blade. So I'm just looking for that apical, the right apical portion of the upper lobe. So I'm gonna find that, the top of the scapula, and then placing my stethoscope in between the scapula and the spine. All right, Erica, deep breath in and out. All right, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. Just feeling around that shoulder blade. And then making sure it's not on the shoulder blade or the spine. Again, that left apical portion of the upper lobe. Erica, can you take a deep breath in and out? All right. Then next, I'm gonna stay on that left side. I'm gonna find the spine of the scapula and that medial border. And then the spine, I'm gonna find and put my stethoscope just in the middle of between that. One more breath, in and out. All right, and that was the left, posterior left upper lobe. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the right, so just feeling that spine of the scapula to that medial border, making sure that it's in between the scapula and the spine. All right, Erica, deep breath in and out. Staying on that right side, I'm going to work my way down the scapula to that inferior border. All right, and then finding that middle ground between the spine and the scapula. All right, Erica, deep breath in and out. Can do one more breath in and out. Good. That was the right superior segment of the lower lobe. So I'm gonna do that same thing on the left side, just feeling that inferior border, the spine. Right. One more. All right, and then two more spots, Erica. So finding kind of where that rib 12 is. All right, and this is the basilar section of the left lower lobe. All right, and then doing that same thing on the right. Deep breath in. Out. One more. All right, Erica, we are all done. Any dizziness or discomfort? All right, well, lung sounded clear, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands, and we're all done for today.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and I would wash my hands.